pack mini contains everything you need to make 5 lampshades, including 2 20cm diameter and 3 30cm diameter ring sets with adapter rings, enough white backed self-adhesive PVC, one 50m roll of 3mm double-sided tape, one 50m roll of 9mm double-sided tape, and one 50m roll of 12mm double-sided tape. This diagram shows you how you should cut the PVC to make all 5 lampshades. You can choose your own heights to suit your home. Just remember to make them tall enough to cover the light bulb. Don't adjust the length of the panels.